generated interest in your products or services at one of the major aerospace OEMs or at one of their suppliers. They are quite interested in what you have to offer and would like to move forward. Therefore, they are suggesting to perform a supplier assessment. Preparing for an aerospace supplier assessment is a critical task that requires thorough preparation to meet stringent industry standards. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you. Number 1, understand the scope of the assessment. Familiarize yourself with the specific standards applicable to aerospace suppliers, such as AS 9100, as well as NADCAP if applicable. Determine whether the assessment will be an audit, a pre-qualification check, or a continuous improvement evaluation. Put together, both the applicable standards as well as the assessment type will help you to anticipate the focus areas of the assessment. Number 2, review your quality management system. Ensure that your quality management system documentation is up to date. This includes quality manuals, procedures, work instructions, and records. Auditors will check that your documentation aligns with industry standards and that your practices follow these documents. Gather evidence of compliance with aerospace standards, including previous audit reports, corrective actions, and continuous improvement records. This demonstrates your commitment to quality and regulatory compliance. Review your key processes to ensure they are well controlled and documented. This includes manufacturing processes, procurement, supplier management, and inspection procedures. All processes should have clear inputs, outputs, and control mechanisms. Number 3, prepare your team. Ensure your team is well trained and aware of the assessment requirements. Each team member should understand their role in the assessment and be able to demonstrate their competency in their respective areas. Conduct internal mock audits or dry runs to simulate the actual assessment. This can help identify gaps or areas that need improvement before the formal assessment. Establish clear lines of communication. Your team should know who the point of contact is during the assessment and how to address auditor questions. Number 4, supplier management and evaluation. Review your supplier qualification process. Ensure that all suppliers are qualified according to your company's procedures and that records of qualification are readily available. Gather records of ongoing supplier performance evaluations. This includes quality performance, delivery performance, and corrective actions taken in response to supplier issues. Be prepared to demonstrate how you manage and monitor sub-tier suppliers, as auditors may check how you ensure quality across your supply chain. Number 5, product and process quality assurance. Ensure that all materials and products can be traced back to their sources. This includes maintaining accurate records of material certificates, production batches, and inspection results. Review your non-conformance management process. You should have a robust system for identifying, documenting, and resolving non-conformances. Auditors will look for evidence of effective corrective and preventive actions. Verify that all equipment used in production and inspection is calibrated and maintained according to schedule. Calibration records should be current and readily accessible. Number 6, customer requirements and communication. Ensure that customer requirements are clearly understood and documented. This includes specifications, delivery schedules, and quality expectations. Contract reviews should be documented and should demonstrate how customer requirements are incorporated into production processes. Be prepared to demonstrate how changes in customer requirements or product designs are managed. This includes how changes are communicated to the relevant teams and how the impact of these changes is assessed. On to number 7, continuous improvement. Review your key performance indicators related to quality, delivery, and customer satisfaction. Auditors will look for evidence that you are continuously monitoring and improving your performance. Be ready to discuss recent improvement initiatives, such as lean manufacturing, Six Sigma projects, or other quality improvement efforts. Documented evidence of these initiatives, including outcomes and lessons learned, will be critical. Number 8, health, safety, and environmental compliance. Ensure that your operations comply with all relevant health, safety, and environmental regulations. This includes having up-to-date permits, safety protocols, and environmental impact assessments. Review your emergency preparedness and response plans. Auditors may check whether your company is prepared to handle emergencies that could impact product quality or safety. Number 9, final preparations. Confirm the logistical details of the assessment, including the schedule, who will accompany the auditors, and which areas or processes will be reviewed. Ensure that your facility is clean, organized, and that all necessary documentation is readily accessible. A well-maintained facility reflects your commitment to quality and professionalism. And finally, number 10, during the assessment, provide clear, honest answers to auditor questions. If there are gaps, acknowledge them and discuss how you are addressing them. Be ready to provide evidence for any claims you make. This includes showing documents, records, or actual processes in action. Maintain a calm, professional demeanor throughout the assessment. Encourage your team to do the same. So, in conclusion, thorough preparation is key to a successful aerospace supplier assessment. By ensuring your documentation is up to date, your processes are well controlled, and your team is prepared, you can demonstrate your capability to meet the high standards of the aerospace industry. Use this assessment as an opportunity to showcase your strengths and commitment to continuous improvement. Find out more by subscribing to our channel or contacting us at academy@avera.ca.